Hello my good friends, and welcome back. I'm Buck Weezer, Buck Small Engine DIY on YouTube, and I greet you today with my tail between my legs. This is my neighbor's Cub Cadet with the Kohler carriage engine. We just worked on it. It's fuel starved, and we had an obstruction in the fuel line. As you recall, guess what, just brought it back to me. Still not working right. So let's pull off the fuel line and watch. Barely trickling out. Are you kidding me? No, I can take it. I can take it. Go ahead. You can go ahead and say it. I told you so. I should have removed the tank, cleaned it out. But somehow we've got another obstruction in that fuel line, and we're gonna have to remove this tank, clean it out, and try again. Oh well. As my favorite comedy group, the Three Stooges, put it, don't worry. We always fix it right the second time. All right, my strategy. I want to take the engine cover off. That's easy enough to do. And then, just going to see if I can get some of these this plastic shroud here, loosen a couple of these bolts that hold it in place, and maybe get enough flexibility that I'll be able to pull that tank out of there. But it's a tight fit, so we're going to give it our best shot. Alright, I've loosened some of these bolts that hold on this plastic shroud around the front to across there. One here, and pried this guy up a little bit, and I've got the tank, moving. So I picked it up, and it's coming out. I think what I want to do is I want to take the pull that dipstick out of the way, just cover it with a rag or something. I'm going to take this plastic fan off the top of the flywheel, and I'm hoping that is all it will take to get enough room to pull the tank out. Hey guys, so I drained you know what I did? I took my air hose just like I did last time, and I blew a little air through this fuel line, and I kept my eyes very closely on the inside of the tank, the fuel outlet. And I know you can't see it, but I promise you I saw the obstruction come out of that tiny 1/8 inch diameter hole. I actually see the piece there in the bottom of the tank, and when I get it out, I'm going to show you, because there it is. That's the guy. Found him. We're going to take this tank off and clean it out right. Alright, I got the tank out of the tractor, and I want to show you what the obstruction was. I dumped it out here. There's the tank. I dumped the obstructions out, and this is what it was. My problem is, I don't know what it is. See that guy? Like, what is that? It almost looks like a piece of a worm, but I don't think so. I think it's botanical. I think this is some kind of thing that falls out of trees. Pine trees, maybe? I honestly don't know what that is. But as you can see, it's about 1/8 inch in diameter. You can see how that would get into a fuel line and obstruct the flow sufficiently. Not completely cutting off the flow of fuel, but enough to keep it fuel starved, struggling, and dying out. How stupid. I apologize for not being thorough the first time. But that's the guy. That is the smoking gun. Now I'm going to be thorough, clean this out inside and out, and we'll get it back on the tractor. And this will be resolved finally. Well, here's the tank. Some of this dirt on the outside is just stained. Nothing I can do about it. But I assure you, it is clean and beautiful on the inside, and there is not one bit of crud left in there. So you want to see me try to wrestle this back into place? wasn't too bad. Bent this outlet. I think we're all right though. It's a little bit flexible. I don't want to crack it. All right. So yeah, he's in and he's clean, and I think we've got this finally resolved. So, give me a few minutes to put it all back together, reconnect our fuel lines, and we'll try it out again. But I know we got it this time. Okay, we got it this time. I know a lot of you said, and if you didn't put it in the comments, you at least thought it. I'm not being thorough enough last time. I should have removed that tank and cleaned it out. And that's what I failed to do. We did it this time. We found the culprit that was obstructing the line. Now it's resolved for good. It's funny because I got a lot of lawnmowers and there's a lot of crud in the bottom of the tanks. Broken pieces of rubber from the cap that deteriorated. Never have any problem. Well, in this case, it was that one tiny little piece of a pine tree, or I don't know what that is. It's just the right size to get sucked back into the line even after I blew it out and give us problems again. But this time we got it. Thanks for watching, guys. Always appreciate it. Give me your comments and questions in the discussion below. I guess the main thing is, not that it took us 2 tries, but at least we did eventually get it fixed the right way. So that's it. I'm signing off. I'll see you next time. And remember, only you can put the do into do-it-yourself. Bye-bye. No, it's good.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
It's good. We're just showing that it's fixed, and I'm gonna film you driving back home.
Okay. You want to try it again, or?
Nah,
okay.
Just do it. Try that. Yep. This time we got it. This time it's fixed.